All right, J-Wood's here. KT Authentic Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're moving the camera all around tonight. We're going to do a box of Anthology for Steven. One more box. I don't know, Steven. I got to pick up the box. It's heavier than the last one. Not as heavy as your first one. Too thicky. Oh, that's nice. Who is that? Guy that Steven does not know who he is. Jason Pomneville, 2-color patch autograph, or patch. 89 of 99. Pomneville, 2-color. Nice. Jersey auto Igor Larionov. That's nice. That's out of 166. Igor Larionov. So 166. $56 of 166. Larionov. We got Peter Mrazek, jumbo jersey. Out of 199. 23 of 199. Got a 2-color Joe Sakic and Nathan McKinnon, paired pieces. It's out of 45. 21 of 45. Sakic 2-color, McKinnon 1-color. No, these are all NHL jerseys, Big B. Panini doesn't have a license, so you can't do logos. Tetrad Materials, Erik Karlsson, 2-color, 2-color, 1-color, 1-color. Out of 75. 25 of 75, Erik Karlsson. Another dual auto. Matt Pumpel and Tyler Biggs. Matt Pumpel is following you everywhere. That is out of 299. Number 2. Number 2. That's $9.99. I do not know who Tyler Biggs is. Let's see what it says about Tyler Biggs. Still don't know who Tyler Biggs is. Full coverage, Alexander Barkov, 2-color, jumbo, out of 25. 6 of 25. Barkov. And for the best team in hockey, double coverage, 3-color jumbo patch. No, 2 autos, Steven. Mike Richards. And on the back, Jeff Carter. Jeff Carter, that's out of 49. You hit the Larionov jersey auto and then the dual auto, Steven. Nice 3-color Philadelphia Flyers patch. And a 3-color Kings patch. And because Jeff Carter is a Flyers patch, not interested in it. Congratulations, Steven. That was actually a good box.